Festool Dust Extractors are engineered to give the user a long service life. Here are some maintenance tips that will keep your extractor in great working order. Visually check the hose fittings to make sure all rotating adapters are in good working order. Inspect the motor housing to ensure all seals are in place and clean. Remove the filter and check extraction surface and seals are in good condition. Clean the areas around the motor, motor contacts and seals. If required, replace the filter bag. Festool M&H class extractors are fitted with a flow sensor alarm that keeps a user safe in alerting them when the dust extraction suction reduces. There are 5 checks to make if the audible alarm sounds. If the extractor's suction level has been reduced, as the bag fills up, it may trigger the alarm. In this case, increase the suction level. Make sure the correct hose size is set on the dust extractor. Check and clear any blockages in the hose. Check filter bag, and if the bag is full, replace the bag. Check if the filter requires changing. Festool Autoclean extractors are engineered to work effectively with plaster dust. Switch the extractor on, then press the AC button to turn on the Autoclean function. Press the manual button to turn the dust extractor on, and the filter will now automatically clean at 15-second intervals. For a deeper clean of the AC filter, close the sealing slide and press the Autoclean button for 3 filter cleaning cycles. This can also be done by holding and blocking the end of the hose. To guarantee a consistent extraction performance, filter changes required from time to time. To change the filter, unclip and remove the motor from the base and turn it upside down. To ensure safe disposal, a plastic waste bag is supplied with your new filter. Unclip filter holder and remove, placing the contents in the waste bag, then push the used filter out of the holder. The holder can now be removed from the bag. The plastic bag can now be sealed for safe disposal. Insert the new filter so that it fits flat into the holder and fit back into position. The motor can now be fitted onto the unit.